Tonight's episode spotlights 5 NBA legends whose impact came as much from ingenuity as prolific scoring. Pistol Pete Maravich dazzled without the three-point line, averaging 44.2 ppg in a college season and reshaping playmaking. Dolph Schayes won the first NBA scoring title in 1957 and later coached 16 seasons, popularizing movement without the ball. Dennis Rodman redefined defense and rebounding, stacking multiple seasons of double-digit rebounds and earning 5 championships through relentless grit. Wes Unseld rookie MVP who transformed outlet passing into franchise building, anchoring the court with field presence and smart tempo.